Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect Spotify to Discord on phone. First guys, you need to launch the application and then just go for your profile section by typing on your profile photo and go for connections. Click on that selection, and here as you can see I have no connections right now, but if I want to add it I need to go on my right upper side by clicking on add selection. Now here it is, the all features that are available for connecting through Discord. I will go for Spotify, and here they're gonna give me that option to get up this email address and my password. And right after that guys, when you fulfill all this information, you're gonna be directly connected through Spotify and Discord on phone. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.